गाइस, आज फाइनली आ चुका है हमारा HP का प्रिंटर और ये प्रिंटर है HP इंकटैंक वायरलेस 419 मॉडल नंबर का प्रिंटर। तो चलिए आज इस प्रिंटर को अनबॉक्स करते हैं। ये HP के कुछ यूज़र मैनुअल्स जिसको हमें पढ़ना होगा, क्योंकि ये हम स्किप नहीं कर सकते। इंस्टॉलेशन के टाइम पे ज़रूरत होगा। इसको हम करते हैं साइड में। पहले प्रिंटर को निकालते हैं, उसके बाद ये सब पढ़ेंगे। ये दोनों हैं इनके प्रिंट हेड्स जो इसमें इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा, और ये है पूरा कलर का सेट। So these are the cables, as you can see. We'll keep this aside. So these are the color bottles. So this is basically a spill-proof cap. Now let's remove this chamber cap. Let's remove. Now put it here. And slowly after some time the ink will come. See, you can see now it's filling. We will exact fill it up to 80 ml. Yeah, done. Similarly, we have to fill the cyan color, magenta color and yellow color. Let's meet after filling the colors. So we are done with the filling, and now we have to install the printer heads. We need to remove this cardboard. So now we need to install the power cables. And here we have to install this cord. Yeah. So now we need to power on the printer so that the print heads move automatically from the left side to the center. Just wait for some seconds. So as you can see, the print head is moving. Now it is aligned in the center. So now we have to remove this orange part by pushing it on the right side and then removing it. Now we have to push this blue part upward so that we can remove this part. So it's removed. So these are the print heads. This is the black one. So we need to remove the packets. So this is the print head. We need to remove this cover and don't touch this part. So we have to install the black one on the right hand side. So you need to calibrate the machine first. For that, once you install the print heads, after that you have to insert the page here and then press this button, the first button, and when it shows A or R whatever, so that time it will calibrate the machine. And here it is calibrated. So now we need to check the scanner. For that we need to keep the same paper on the scanner. And then we need to press this button. So that the scanner is calibrated. We need to keep a paper. So the scanning is complete. So first one is the printout and second one is the scanner. So the quality is pretty good. I hope you have understood how to install. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Until then, peace out.